You start.
Okay, this is the place I call the serenity. You see, around cold water, fresh water. You see, it's bloody cold, too much cold to stay inside for around 5 minutes. Your foot will lose senses, and there's a waterfall which you can see. And I don't know the source for this one. There is a small waterfall. I don't know where it is coming from. There is no water above. If you can zoom in, can you please? There is no source of water. I guess it's coming somewhere from the rocks. It's really deep inside here. I had a desire to swim over there, but my beloved is not allowing me. I wish I could do that some other day. See you later. See you later बोल दिया यार.
मैंने तो नहीं बोला. I can see you.
Wow, so refreshing.